Any day is a good day for football. Hi, folks. I'm Garrett Fertig. Welcome to Maximum Sports. I'm joined in the booth by Dan Walks for color commentary.
God, thank you, Garrett. You know, I feel privileged to be here today. It's going to be a great game.
For our first standout athlete this evening.
I can't wait to see this guy. I've been hearing about him all week. He really is that good.
Also for the opponent matchup.
Oh, he is a great leader and motivates his teammates to perform under pressure.
The visiting players are definitely going to have their hands full dealing with this noise level. Look at this crowd.
They'll need to stay focused. Handling this crowd noise and maintaining discipline will be key.
I agree. And here's our passionate hosts making a thunderous entrance. The fans are giving them a hero's welcome.
Absolutely. You can feel it in the air. They look focused and ready to put on a show.
And now for the coin toss.
The home team wins the toss.
Here comes the kick. He'll take it. They wrap him
with the
up.
tackle.
Handoff. He's still going. Touchdown. The offensive line helped on that one. And now the extra point. Here's the kick. And they add the extra point. After that score, we are set to kick off. That's a textbook tackle there. Here's the snap. He hands it off. And that will work for the first. Move those chains.
Number 29 with the tackle.
A new set of downs now.
First down.
Looks like a handoff. That'll make it a first down.
By number 39. Number 25 with the tackle.
So, first
down.
Ready, set, high. He's going through his progressions. The pocket's collapsing.
Guys, we want positive, not negative. Blocking needs improvement.
The quarterback is sacked. A huge play by the defense.
Nope, not good, nor graceful.
Second down now. They line up.
Down.
Hands off to the runner. They stop him quick.
On the run.
The defender breaks through and tackles him behind the line. It's third down.
Third down.
The defense is giving him no time to breathe. And he throws. The receiver secures the ball. The quarterback's arm is on fire. He hit the receiver in stride for a first down. They line up for a new set of downs.
First down.
hands it off. It appears good enough for a first down.
39. Number 39, tackled by number 49.
It's first and goal, a prime opportunity to score.
You gotta score here, guys.
And short. Quickly
yards
stopped.
gained on the run. Number 27.
The offense is back with a second and
down.
goal.
Not much more to go.
And a few yards to go. They have 4 on the defensive line. Throwing.
Touchdown throw by
Touchdown.
quarterback number 18.
What a good
Number
throw.
88.
Read the
Makes
receiver's
catch.
route perfectly. Time for the PAT. He kicks.
The
They
extra
tack
point
on
is good.
the extra point. After that score, we are ready to kick off. He decides to return.
Tackle
Caught
made by
and
number
dropped.
51 on the defense.
And he hauls it in.
Nicely done.
Oh, yes.
Number
They're putting on a
with the
clinic
catch on
out
the
there.
play.
Great execution that time.
Number
Probably so.
27 with the tackle.
What a throw. The receiver catches it cleanly, securing a first down. Okay, getting ready for a first down. Handoff. Handoff on the play.
Good timing.
Number
He couldn't
27
turn.
with a
Nice.
4-yard loss on the
Guys,
run.
we want
That will
positive,
bring us
not
to
negative.
second down.
Blocking needs improvement.
Number 27, tackled by number 9.
We're ready for a second down.
Second down.
Last minute or so of this quarter.
The quarterback surveys the field. He gets the snap. Searching. The defender
Pass tip
knocked
by
it
number
down.
49.
The ball hits the ground. No catch. Third down. And
Third
looking
down.
at some real estate in front of them. Looking for a man. Sacked.
Sack made
And he
by
goes
number
down.
22 on the defense.
Whoops, Coach Fletcher coming.
They'll try to get
Fourth
3
down.
points here.
I think this is doable.
Looking to hold with 4 on the defensive line. The kick is up. The ball
field
veers
goal
off.
is
No
missed.
points this
No
time.
score.
Ouch. Snapping the ball. He throws.
Yep, they get the turnover. Whoa, he snagged it out of the air like a hawk.
By number 41.
Looks like a handoff.
Loss of
Coach
yard
needs to
on the
lecture
ball.
that line or this will keep happening.
Stopped short by number 42.
It's second down.
Second down.
We're at the
And
end
first to
of the
second
quarter.
down.
They're putting 3 on the line to counter this offense.
That juke should be an award-winning juke.
Yards gained on
With
the
a
run
burst
by
of
number
speed,
33.
he makes it past the defenders for a first
Number
down.
25 with the
Incredible
tackle.
move. down now.
First down.
963. 963.
He hands it off.
Loss of
They
yards
went
on the
backwards there a bit, didn't they?
Sorry,
tackle
that
made
won't
by
work.
number 22
Second
on
down
the
now.
defense.
They line
Second
up.
down.
Ready, set. Go.
Handoff. Throws the ball. That'll
Incomplete
drop to the
pass by
ground.
QB number 12.
It's third down.
Third down.
All right, let's go get one.
He hikes the ball.
Swat,
Pass
not
by
a
number
catch. Good thing he's
21.
on defense. Nope, not quite a catch there.
They're going to try
Fourth
for
down.
3 points.
He's made these before.
Go.
Here's the kick. This
The
kicker's
field goal
position for
is good.
long-distance kicks is a game changer. He's hitting field goals from big distances. It not only boosts the scores, but the team's morale as well.
Yeah, you know, I'm in awe of this guy's psychological resilience. The way he shakes off some kind of miss and nails the next opportunity. You know what? That really speaks to strong mindset from this guy.
And the hours and hours of practice are evident in his performance. His commitment to mastering kicks pays off when it matters most, again, adding crucial points on the board.
Absolutely. His contribution as a point scorer is pivotal. His ability to turn tight games around with accurate
Number
kicking,
37
well, that's what
with the
sets him
tackle.
apart in clutch moments.
He catches the kick. Handoff on the play. They
1
stop.
yard gained on the run by number 39.
Ready for a second down.
Second down.
Looks like a handoff. There he goes.
He ran out of
By
field
number
quickly.
49. That's 3 tackles for him.
Third down, feeling the pressure.
Third down.
Ready, set, hike.
Takes the snap.
Block him. Block him.
And down goes the
Number
QB.
41
Needs
with
just
the
a touch
sack on
more
the play.
accuracy.
Incomplete back. Fourth
It's a
down.
punt on fourth down. Let's see how this plays out. He gets the punt away. Fair catch call.
Nebraska. Nebraska.
Here's the snap. He tucks it and runs. Smart move to avoid the hit. Dodging tackles. He sprints for the easy first down. It's first down.
First
And 10
down.
yards to go.
Get down. Set.
Hikes the ball. And he throws. Caught it.
Number 27 with the catch on the play. Tackle made
It's
by
second
number
down.
20.
And a
Second
handful
down.
to go. Defense puts 3 up front. Handoff. They win.
That could have been better. At least it's not a loss.
With an
Number
explosive
31
run, he
with the
secures a first down.
This half is winding down
First down.
quickly. 2 minutes left.
They line up for a new set of downs. Checking the coverage. As time, hunting for an opening. He's being forced to make a quick
Tackle
decision.
made by number 42 on the
Sacked.
defense.
Good point. You can sense the frustration.
Now it's second down.
Second down.
He's watching for adjustments. Defense has 3 on the line for this play. Hands off to the runner. You can't derail that train. Fumble!
Recovered by number 27 on the defensive team.
handoff on the play. Yeah, that's a loss.
With a
Ouch.
100-yard loss on the run. That will bring us to
Second down now. They
Second
line
down.
up.
That run was less than stellar.
39.
Third
Number
down.
22, third down.
Added muscle on the defensive line for this play. He gets the snap. That's a
Number
catch.
15.
He's
with
got
the
a man
catch on the
open.
play.
Good catch. He's gone.
Tackle made by number fourth down.
Okay. So the offense decides to go for it on fourth down. He hands it off.
They needed that. A good chunk play.
I think so too. The gamble pays off. They convert on fourth down.
First down.
They're knocking on the door with a first and goal.
Got a score here.
Here's the snap. Handoff. Wow. Good run for a touchdown. He broke the play. They line up now for the point after. The kick is up.
The point
And
after
it's
attempt is
good. After that score, we are set to kick off. Not a good kick.
This seems a bit off.
That's a return.
Tackle
He's
made by
stopped.
number 59 on the defense. He's throwing. Number
Caught and
13
dropped.
with the catch on the play. Stopped short
They
by
call
number
a timeout.
87.
Second down.
Time second down.
Get down. Set.
A stellar run.
Gained on the run by
That's a
number
first down.
33.
They're getting into a rhythm now.
Number 33, tackled by number 27.
Well, I think someone called a timeout.
Yeah, but did you see anyone
down.
signal a timeout?
Well, apparently someone did. Oh, yep, coach did.
That's right, Garrett. He was blocked by the line crew.
Mystery solved.
As good as time as any to make sure everyone's on the same page.
The ball is loose.
Fumble, recovered by number 22 on the defensive team. That brings us to the end of the half.
We enter the locker room as the first half comes to a close.
14.
What an interesting game so far. Time for a break.
Time to kick off the second half. Here we go. He decides to return.
He's at the 50, the 40, the 30, 20-yard line, 10-yard line. What a great return. He found an opening and nobody could get their hands on him.
And now the extra point. Here's the kick. And they add the extra point. After that score, we are ready to kick off. He's going to return it. tackle.
Time has been called due to an injury.
It looks like he's down after the play. The medical staff is coming onto the field.
With the tackle.
Yeah, that doesn't look right.
He's going through his progressions. The receiver secures the ball.
Catch made by number 27. Number 27. Tackled by number
We're ready for a
31.
second down.
Second down.
Here we go. Go.
Throwing. He came down with it with a flick of the wrist. It's a powerful pass to the receiver for a first down.
Number 42 with the tackle.
Okay, getting ready for a first down.
963. 963.
And he throws. A good reception there.
Yep, good concentration there. He knew right where to be.
Definitely.
Tackle made
What
by number
precision.
25.
The ball finds its mark. And that's another first down secure. So, first down.
First down.
963. 963.
He throws. Caught.
That's progress.
With the
A laser-like pass. Cuts through the defense, securing the first down with ease. Their robust physical training facility is key to this team's success.
280.
Absolutely. And with the way they've been playing, it looks like they're lifting more than just weights.
I mean, you're right. The result on the field speaks for itself. They're pushing people around. The defender breaks through and tackles him behind the line.
That's not going to do it, will it?
Another shot to score for the offense with second and goal.
You got to score here, guys.
Takes the snap. The quarterback throws the ball. Touchdown! Amazing pass. Wow, great throw by the QB. They'll try 4-2. Handoff. They opted to go for two. And got it. Good play.
He plowed right through him.
So, after that score, they will kick it off. Here we go. That's a return. The defender read that play and made a solid tackle.
Ready, set, hike.
Not quite a catch there.
41 on the defense. Incomplete pass.
Lining up for a second down now.
Second down.
You can feel the intensity as he scans the defense. Hikes the ball. Hands off to the runner. That's a textbook tackle there.
39. Tackle made by number 49
It's
on the
third
defense.
down.
Third down.
The runner breaks through the defense. A powerful run to secure a first down.
Stop short.
That'll get him over 100 yards.
He's a standout for a reason. Has 100 yards now.
It's a first down.
First down.
He's throwing that ball.
Incomplete
Missed
pass.
that one.
It's second down. 10
Second
to
down.
go. They have 4 on the defensive line. Looks like a handoff. They've secured the first
Yards
down.
gained on the
Forward
ground by
progress
number
confirmed.
39. with the tackle.
Okay, getting ready for a first down.
Ready. 3-3. Cover.
And he throws.
Yep, they get the turnover. Great catch. Wow. Maybe he should take some reps on offense. Quarter is winding down. 1 minute left.
They look to go for one. He kicks.
The
No
point after attack
extra
is no
point.
good.
After that score, we are set to kick off. Seems a little off. He decides to return. Brought
Tackle
down
made by
decisively.
number 29 on the defense.
Here we go. 13. Ready.
He gets the snap. Handoff. Yeah,
Number
backed up a bit
39
there.
with a
Good point. You can sense the
0-yard loss on the
frustration.
run. That will bring us to second down.
We're now at second
Tackle
down.
made, second
And 10
down.
to go.
Down. Set.
Here's the snap.
Oh, he needed a catch on that one.
It's third down and
Third
10
down.
yards to go. Looking to hold with 4 on the defensive line. He throws. That's a first down. The drive stays alive.
Number 20 with the tackle.
Fourth
End of the
quarter
third quarter.
coming
First
up.
down.
First down.
Ready. 3-3. Cover.
He's down.
Yards gained on the run by number 39. Number 39 tackled by
Ready
number
for a second down.
22nd down.
Added muscle on the defensive line for this play. He's searching for his target. Caught it.
It's good to have a trustworthy
Number
receiver.
88 with
They
the
navigate
catch on
past the
play.
markers, securing a fresh set of downs.
Tackle made by number 29 on the defense.
First down now.
First down.
Here we go. 13. Ready. Right. Block him.
He's throwing.
Incomplete
gotta
pass
get
by
those.
QB number 18.
Second down now. They line up.
Second down.
Ready. 3-3.
The defensive line has been a nightmare for the offense all game long. Their ability to break through the offensive line and create chaos in the backfield is exceptional. Third down
Third
and
down.
long.
Here we go. 13. Ready.
Hikes the ball.
Cover.
Throwing. A good reception there.
That's
Number
why they wear
39 with the
gloves.
catch on the play.
Yep. They've secured the first down.
Number
Forward
39
progress
with the tackle.
confirmed. Okay, getting ready for a first
First
down.
down.
He gets the snap.
Push him.
Throws the ball. Caught.
See, that's how you do it. He has a great relationship with his skills
catch on the
coach, and it shows.
Without a
Tackle
doubt.
made by
What
number
a throw.
21 on the
The receiver
defense.
catches it cleanly, securing a first down. A new set of downs now.
First down.
Here we go. 13. Ready. Push him back.
He throws.
You need progress, not regress.
It's second down, 10 to go. He might see something.
14. Ready.
Snapping the ball. And he throws.
Nope, not quite a catch there.
It's third down. They're feeling the pressure.
Ready. Set. Hike. Fill the gap. Fill the gap.
I do the same here.
Fourth down.
Get the 3 points.
I bet he can make it.
He kicks.
They
And
make the
it's
field goal
through.
attempt.
They add 3 to their score. After that score, we are ready to kick off. He catches the kick.
Number
Caught and dropped.
with the tackle.
Florida. Florida.
Handoff on the play. He jukes him. The defender was in the right place. Stopped.
Number 33. Tackled by
Second
number
down and
42nd
short.
down.
He's taking a moment. They're putting 3 on the line to counter this offense. Hikes the ball.
Number
He was
33,
looking for a way out of that one.
Yard
All
loss
he
on the
found
line.
was defense.
Number 33. Tackled
It's
by number
third down.
third
And
down.
a few yards to go.
This game is winding down. 2
Third
minutes
down.
left.
Defense puts 3 up front. He gets the snap. Throwing. What precision.
By number
The ball
11.
finds its mark. And it's another
Number
first down
9 with the
secure.
tackle.
So, first down.
First down.
Here we go.
Trying to find his receiver.
Oh, you gotta get those.
Ready for a second down.
Second down.
963. 963.
Snapping the ball. Throws the ball. He makes the catch.
That'll work.
Touchdown! Wow, he got that through the defense. Perfect timing. Time for the PAT. The kick is up. Hits the post. No good. So, after that score, they will kick it off. Here we go. He wants to return it. They wrap him up.
Tackled by number 23.
Takes the snap.
Cover, cover.
Great catch. And that play is good enough to move the chains.
Tackle made by
Okay,
number
get ready for a first down. He is changing something. Looks like the defense is sizing things up. Looks like a handoff.
Guys, we want
loss on the
positive,
run.
not negative. Blocking needs
Tackle
improvement.
made by number 29 on the defense.
Well, I think someone called a timeout.
Yeah, but did you see
Second
anyone
down.
signal a timeout?
Well, apparently someone did. Oh, yep. Coach did.
That's right, Garrett. He was blocked by the line crew.
Mystery solved.
As good as time as any to make sure everyone's on the same page.
They've secured the first down. Forward progress confirmed. They call a timeout. First down.
First down.
94, 7-14.
He gets the snap. Throwing. A long pass attempt. The receiver secures the ball.
That play was awesome. I think we'll see more of that. Very, very good timing.
Oh, yes. Crossing the threshold, and yes! That's a first down! Timeout call.
By the offense.
It's first and goal.
First
A
down.
prime opportunity to score.
They have to punch it in.
Go. Block him. Block him.
And the defense gets to the quarterback.
22.
That's not good. Not good at all.
It's second down
Second
and
down.
forever.
Short. Ready. Set.
Making some changes. Defense switches things up. He hands it off. The defender read that play and made a solid tackle.
Stopped short by number
It's now or never with third and goal.
They could smell that paint.
And manageable. Audibles. Defense is shifting their look to confuse the offense. And he throws. Good reception. Touchdown! Wow. He threaded the needle on that play. Good throw. They line up now for the point after. Here's the kick.
The
They
point
tack
after
on the
attempt
extra
is
point.
good.
After that score, we are set to kick off. That won't work. That's a return.
Number
Tackle.
11, tackled by number 56.
Blue 52.
Searching. That's a textbook tackle there.
On the play. Number 15, tackled by number
The offense wants to look things over. They're ready for a second down.
Second down.
He sees something.
280. 280. Go.
That's a first down. The drive stays alive.
27. Tackle made by number 38 on the defense.
Well, I think someone called a timeout.
Yeah, but did you see
First
anyone
down.
signal a timeout?
Well, apparently someone did. Oh, yep, coach did.
That's right, Garrett. He was blocked by the line crew.
Mystery solved.
As good as time as any to make sure everyone's on the same page.
He's throwing. A good reception there.
Nobody can do that, except maybe this guy. That guy had no chance.
Touchdown! Amazing pass. Wow, great throw by the QB. Looking for a two-point conversion. Throwing. They wanted 2 points, but they won't get them. Stop short.
Nope, didn't get there that time.
After that score, we are ready to kick off. Looks like he'll return it.
Number
They
59
wrap him
with the
up.
tackle.
He hikes the ball. Throws the ball. Great catch. Caught, and he goes out of bounds.
Stopped short by number 22.
Ready for a second down.
Second down.
Ready. Set. Cover, cover.
The quarterback throws the ball. A precise pass to the receiver. And that's a first down. What a great play. And a good result. And the final whistle blows. And we close the book on this one. Have a good one.
And that's a wrap for Me Too.